Hey guys, Bryony here from Accelerate Off-Grid Touring. I've got some really exciting updates for our Prado 250 series under rear floor dual battery kit. So come take a look. All right, so you might have guessed it, we are going to a new battery option in our kit. Our hand has been forced on this one, the Invicta Super Slims, which we love and use and recommend in all of our other kits. And the 100 amp hours are currently out of stock until mid-October. So we've had to look at other options, which has led us to do two options for you. The much requested option is for no battery option. So you can now get the tray with the DC to DC charger, the fusing, all the wiring fully laid out on the board, without a battery option. So you can bring your own battery to the kit, and that's super amazing. Our second option that we're going with is into the iTechWorld. So we haven't ever supplied and fitted the iTechWorlds before, but we have been in talks with them for a little while, and also Andrew has been doing some testing ourselves just to see how they perform and make sure we're happy with them before we offer them in a product. All right, so what we are offering is the iTechWorld 100 amp hour super slim battery. Now this is an entry-level lithium battery. It's at a really good price point. They generally retail for $999, so it is a little bit cheaper than the more premium in the Invicta, which is around the $1,600 mark, depending on what's on sale at that point in time. It has a lot of great features in it as well, like the Invicta. It's got a 5-year full replacement warranty in there. It is IEC certified as well, which we don't need in this instance in the Prado, but if you're in caravans, it's got the full IEC certification. The Invicta, it's got Bluetooth monitoring via the iTechWorld app. It allows you to do 100 amp hour discharge on that, so you can pair it with a 1000 watt inverter if you do want to. The Invicta is 150, so you can get a bigger inverter too. There's lots of stock, which is the big thing available at the moment. We can get lots of stock of this, and we do have stock in Maroochydore at the moment. It comes in a stainless steel case as well. So you get all the features of our kit that you're used to. You can pair it with the REDARC DC-DC in the Core, the Classic or the Alpha in the 25 amp hour. You get the full fusing in here as well. You can opt to add in the switch panel insert, which would change how your fusing looks on here. That's about it. It's this tray that everyone has come to love, fits under the floor. It's about a 2 to 3 hour install. You can do it yourself, super easy. You can get your auto electrician to install it for you as well. The other amazing thing that we have got and we can announce as well is that all of our underfloor dual battery kits go with the RVSS, the false floor or the drawer system. So we will have the false floor up to purchase from us with a kit as well. But yeah, we've tested all of those in-house here to ensure that if you're going with any of the RVSS false floors or drawer systems, any of their drawer systems, you will be able to put them over the top of this dual battery kit. The kits are also compatible with any model in the Prado 250 series. So whether you've got a 5-seater or a 7-seater, a Kakadu or the GX, you will fit into all of these. All of our kits do come with the socket bank as well, so you can opt for the driver's or the passenger side when you purchase the kit, and they will run all off the battery here. If you'd like to check out any of our other Prado 250 series installation or product release videos, watch this playlist up here, and then YouTube really thinks you should watch this video down here. If you do have any questions or comments or suggestions about our kits, drop them in the comments below.
Accelerate Off-Grid Touring, powering your adventures.